Hey everyone, and welcome to another All About RVs video. Today we're going to take a look at a brand new 2020 Forestriver Sabre 38DBQ fifth wheel. This is a 2-bedroom, 2 full bathroom fifth wheel. We're going to take a few minutes, check out the inside, and then take you on to the outside also. As you can see here, we've been looking at the middle of the coach. We have a theater seat with heat and massage. Freestanding dinette, 4 chairs. Nice big tinted windows. Does have the pull down roller shades. This particular unit was ordered with the upgraded solid surface countertops here in the kitchen area. The standard countertops look similar, but they are more of a laminate style. Electric fireplace, TV, DVD stereo system. There's storage behind that TV. There's a little strap down there that you pull on. It loosens it up so you can actually get back in behind there. So another little cubby hole for storage. Big overhead cabinet. Goes all the way across there. The nicer Furrion oven has the LED backlit knobs. Also has a glass front with a light inside, so it's easier to see when you're cooking. 3-burner stovetop, has a little flip-up glass cover. Matching Furrion microwave and hood range. Good size refrigerator here. This is a residential style refrigerator. So freezer on bottom, fridge on top. 4 drawers down below for plenty of storage space there. Space under the island, and also 3 more drawers over there. Nice sink covers. It is a farm style sink, I guess you'd call it. So it's a 1 big bowl sink. Looking toward the front, you got a big closet area up there. Some more storage. Does have a 110 volt ceiling fan up top. Don't forget, guys, to like, share, and subscribe if you're interested in keeping up with more of my videos. Trying to update a lot of these new units as they roll in. Kind of a little command center here for a lot of your stuff. Lights, slides, different things like that. Some of your jack stuff. Little different features all right here on the wall. Bathroom for the front section here. Got a seated shower area so you can sit down or just stand up and shower. Good sized medicine cabinet. Little fan up there. Skylight up above. Storage over here on the side. And your toilet area down below. Pretty good amount of room in here. Up a little further is your master bedroom. This was ordered with the king bed, which has also got the Versa bed option. So the bed does raise up there, kind of tilts up. That gives you a little more room to walk around down here. Closet area has this sliding doors. There's place over here if you want to do a dryer. And then over on this side of the closet, you can do a washer. And then there's obviously a closet bar going all the way across and a shelf going all the way across. Electric outlet and USB outlets on both sides of the bed too. Window on both sides of the bed. Emergency exit window. TV hookups up here if you want to do a TV in the bedroom area. This unit was also ordered with the second air conditioner feature. It's a big unit, so I would definitely recommend doing 2 airs. One of the controls actually is right here on the wall, and you can see your slide button and the Versa bed button over there. A couple electric outlets down there on that side too. But we also ordered this unit with the optional heat pump on the main air conditioner. So that's a nice feature. Basically reverses the cycle of an air conditioner, turns it into a heater for the cold, and really kind of helps save you a little bit on propane. So if you like camping more in the fall, things like that, this is definitely a nice feature to have. Use the campground's electric instead of your propane. A little storage back here too. Going back into here. On the side of the wall there is your downstairs air conditioner and furnace control. But going into the bedroom area here for the kids area, there's a little pull-out mattress down below. You have the little sofa here. There's a cup holder thing in the middle, and it flips down into a bed. And you have the bunk up above. So you could sleep 3 or 4 people just in that section right there. Spin it over to this side, lots of cabinets and storage. And then a loft up top. Now this loft area up here, you can see up there a little bit. There's room for one person to sleep this way and room for another person to sleep that way. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, possibly 6 people could sleep back here in this section. Some of this storage here, little shelf area. You can mount your TV right here if you want, or just use it for storage. Now there is an outside kitchen that's under part of this. You'll see when we get out there. Little bathroom area back here for the kids. You have a little tub / shower area back here. Medicine cabinet, sink, everything's all right back here. Little toilet area. And this actually goes right to the outside. So the kids can kind of run right in and out of this door into their own bathroom, their own bedroom area, and not have to track up the rest of the coach. Little blue accent LED lights. You can see the other air conditioner up top there. Lots of storage back here too. This is really great for the family. Again, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Also, check out Couch's RV Nation, one of the largest internet wholesale dealers in the country. They're going to save you a lot of money on a new RV. We're going to take a minute, go to the outside now so you can check out the outside of this large fifth wheel. All right, everyone, we are now on the outside of this new unit. As you can see here, it is a white fiberglass exterior unit with a lot of decals and coloring to it. It is more kind of a black or lightish blue color. On the rear of the coach, you can see we have the ladder feature here. There's a fold-down rack with your spare tire mounted on the back. Traditional 4-inch squared tube bumper. The entry door here with the traditional steps going into the bathroom in the back. Outside kitchen feature here. So you got a little refrigerator, some cabinets, a sink. There's also a little place right there for the grill feature to hang. And a grill hookup down there. And one of the dumps for the back bathroom, the handle is located right there. 4-point electric auto level system. So you have 2 jacks right there behind the axle. Then you'll have your 2 on the front also. Large power awning. Does have the adjustable arms for water runoff. And also has the little blue LED accent lighting. And there's also blue speakers coming out of that side of the slide there. I'm going to walk around here so you can see a little better on the other side. The unit is pre-wired for backup camera up there. So if you wanted to do a portable backup camera, you can do that. Or observation camera lets you use it while you're driving down the road. Power cord plugs in right here. 50 amp service on this unit. Dump area down there. 3 slides on this side of the coach. 10-gallon gas electric water heater here. Some more section of dump area here. Low point water drains down below. The outside docking station here, cable, satellite hookup, city water, fresh water, outside shower, bypass for the water heater, winterizing valve system, everything kind of located right here. Nice big pass-through storage compartment. There's a propane tank behind this door. It is a single 20-pound propane tank on this side and another single 20-pound propane tank on the other side. The 20-pound tanks save you a few pounds of weight, obviously, but they're also quicker and easier to exchange when you run out. So that is one of the reasons a lot of brands are starting to do the 20s. You can take them to just about any hardware store or some quickie gas stations, exchange them out instead of having to find somebody to refill them all the time. Battery vents there, your electric level jack buttons, and the front docking light button, along with a portable solar panel input there. On the front fiberglass cap, they have little blue accent lights there also. There's some storage in that front storage compartment there, but that's mainly meant for your batteries and stuff like that there. Stand back here a little bit so you can see the front section a little better. You can see the second air conditioner up on the front there. Again, the other side of the big pass-through storage compartment. There is a TV hookup and electric outlet switch there, and a little light switch also. Has a little pet-friendly leash holder right there. Large folding entry handle. The, in my opinion, upgraded steps. Those steps are stronger, so they can hold more weight. They also don't shake the coach as bad when you are running in and out of the camper. Overall, nice, great, big family camper. Be sure again, guys, check us out, couchesrvnation.com. Toll-free number 888-417-8299. Thanks for checking us out.